Hello everyone, my name is Neil Courtney and today I'm here to talk to you about annuities. So you guys are all in high school, you may be asking what is an annuity? So I'll start with that. An annuity is a defined set of fixed payments that are paid out periodically over a given set of time. So for example, a company might say, for this fee, I will pay you $100 every year for the next 20 years. Or a life insurance company, for example, will say, I will pay you $1,000 every month for as long as you live. So these are the types of products that you're going to get into when you talk about annuities. So when you talk about types of annuities, there is an annuity due or a fixed annuity, which provides a fixed set of payments over a set period of time, no matter what happens. There is a whole life annuity, which many life insurance companies will sell, or which is what pension companies often provide, which what they would do is they will provide an annuity for as long as you live. There's also a term annuity, also provided for insurance companies, where they provide a set of payments over a set period of time as long as you're alive. So for example, if you buy a term annuity for 20 years but you only live 15 years, then you're only going to get payments for 15 years. Or there's also an annuity product known as a perpetuity, which will provide a set of payments forever. So companies that will provide that, for example, are businesses that would provide scholarships, so they're going to provide a set series of payments in theory forever. It will keep on going no matter who lives or who dies. There are mathematical formulas to calculate annuities. So for example, your standard annuity, which is a set of payments over a set period of time, what you would do is you would take the interest rate, I, you would take P, the set payment amount for each payment period, and you would take N, which is the number of payment periods, and what you would do was you would say P times 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative N divided by I. So for example, if you wanted to calculate $100 every year for the next 10 years at 2% interest rate, your P would be $100, I would be 0.02, and N would be 10. Sometimes you have an annuity called the annuity due, which is just like this, only the one difference is that the first payment will start immediately rather than a year from now. So all you need to do to calculate that is to take the standard annuity formula and multiply it by 1 plus I. Also, now some of you may have taken calculus. You guys are in high school. If you increased n to infinity, if you took n and brought it out to infinity, this would go to 0, since I, in almost all cases, is greater than 0, so this would go to 0. And what you would get is the formula for perpetuity. And the formula for perpetuity would just be P over I. Sometimes you will have annuities that vary in payment. The most common form is a geometric annuity, where the payment amount increases at a rate of G every year. And the way you would calculate that is P times 1 minus 1 plus G over 1 plus I to the power of N, and still the time period, over I minus G. So this is a basic rundown of annuities. Annuities exist in many forms. For example, annuities will often be sold by life insurance companies. Annuities are effectively what pensions are. Pension plans will pay you a set of payments over a set period of time, contingent on you living. Sometimes loans are effectively annuities, because with a loan you're paying usually a fixed amount with a given interest rate over a set period of time. unless you're really in debt, then you could practically be paying forever, and you're talking more about a perpetuity. And so as you can see, annuities exist in a wide array of life and impact your life on a regular basis. I hope I have given you a good rundown of annuities. Thank you very much.